In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this product right here. Now, I don't want to show you just yet because I've got a lot to speak about on why this bad boy right here is a winning product. This product is proven to make thousands and thousands of pounds a day in online sales. Now, not only am I going to show you the product and how the product works, but I'm going to show you why it's a winning product, 5 Facebook interests to target for this product, where to buy the product from, and the competitor stores of how much they're selling them for, so you can get a better idea of how to actually brand this product for yourself. Now, if you're new around here, be sure you guys are subscribing to this channel. It's a brand new channel of mine that keeps you updated with all the latest dropshipping information, especially how to build your own 6-figure e-commerce store. Remember to smash a like on the video and leave your comments and thoughts down below of what you think about this product that I'm about to reveal for you guys. Winning products are usually products that blow up simply because it solves a problem. Literally, the best products to sell currently in 2021 is a product that solves a problem that helps somebody in their life, and it just simply sells all day long. Now, this product here solves a big problem in people's lives. You may have seen this before. I've got about 150 of them that I've got overstocked because I used to sell this product, and it still does thousands and thousands of pounds a day in online sales, and it absolutely crushes the market. Gonna open it to actually show you guys the product. This bad boy right here is a pet hair remover. Now, the good thing about this pet hair remover is it actually isn't sticky. It just goes back and forth and actually allows you to pick up the hairs from a carpet even after hoovering. Check this video out I recorded a few months ago when I was selling this product myself. This product is so good because number one, it solves the problem. Number two, it's affordable for people to buy, especially when you add your profit on top. And the fact that you can just open the lid like this and just take the hair out, scoop it out, close it, and get back rolling that hair. Honestly, it's such a sick product. That video I showed you just now was an ad I actually used. You can genuinely hoover your carpet and use this item, and it will still pick up all the dirt and dust and dog hair or cat hair that you have on your carpet. And when pet owners actually see this product pick up hair and all dirt and grime even after hoovering, they buy the product instantly. Imagine that you have a Facebook and Instagram ad running specifically targeting towards these 5 people that I'm about to tell you. If you target cat lovers, dog lovers, pet owners, cats and dogs, I genuinely will guarantee you'll get a few sales on this product. Now, most people don't really know where to buy the product from, and you can either buy them from the 3 following places. You've got AliExpress and Alibaba, which are obviously the very well-known suppliers. But in the middle, which I used for these products, was eBay. You have a UK seller. Obviously, I'm from London. There was someone else from London selling it. They bought thousands from China and they're selling them for a few pounds more. I was able to buy some of these for £7. I then made my own Shopify store and listed it on my own website and sold them for £29.99, and they sold. I think my cost per purchase were about £5 or £6. So all in, I was in about £14-15. So I was making about, not sure actually, about £12-13 on each product. So it's genuinely such a sick product to sell, and I'm still amazed how well it works. There's been viral TikToks about this product, people's made a few YouTube videos about this product, but it's just an amazing product that you can make a good amount of money on and scale it, especially if you brand it in your own specific branding. It's gonna do really, really well. The difference between AliExpress and Alibaba and eBay dropshipping, if you do want to dropship, because there are multiple ways you can do this method. You can either get a sale in from Facebook ads to your Shopify store and distribute it straight from China, which means your back-end customer is gonna be waiting about 7 to 14 days. Yes, that method is gonna be slightly cheaper, but if you want to keep your customers happy and actually get them to them a lot faster, you can order them straight from eBay for about £1 or £2 more and ask the eBay seller seller to send it straight from their warehouse or wherever they're dispatching it from to the end customer's address, which means you're not touching the item, but you're still drop shipping, but getting it to the customer's house, not in 7 to 14 days, but within 1 or 2 working days, because it's shipping from somewhere in the UK to somewhere in the UK. The alternative method is to reach out to the eBay supplier or AliExpress or Alibaba and just bulk order about 100 to 200 of these. Yes, it's going to set you back about £1,000, but I almost promise you, you will sell these items. When you've got a product like this that clearly solves a problem. Now, I posted a video a few days ago about product solving items and how they can literally be impulse bought. I talk about what impulse buying basically means within the dropshipping scene, and I urge you to go and check that video out because it simply breaks down what dropshipping is, what impulse buying is, and why things like this is a winning product. The link to that video will be down in the description below, so be sure you guys are going to check that out. If you guys have not tested out this product before, maybe you haven't seen it before, maybe you have seen it before but you haven't given it a try yet, I urge you, try this out. It's a game changer. Even if you're selling 5 or 6 of them a day, it's a good little pocket of cash for you to have as a separate store. This can be included in a niche store, so literally a 1 product store just for this pet roller, or you can have a pet or cat or dog store, for example, where you can scale this up to selling hundreds of thousands of pounds on this product alone. Now, I know this product works because I've done it before. I've seen the graphs of how many people on AliExpress and Alibaba are actually selling, so get selling this item. Honestly, it's a game changer. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.